Defense attorneys in Hawaii are concerned about the recent state Supreme Court decision which says people arrested for felonies and other crimes can be detained while prosecutors seek an indictment against them.
KITV4's Shanila Kabir spoke today to several attorneys. She has more in the story.
Steve Nichols, the public defender for Scott D'Angelo, said all defense attorneys are disappointed in the Hawaii State Supreme Court decision. He says he disagrees that defendants have to spend an extended amount of time at the Oahu Community Correctional Facility, which he says is unlivable.
State of OCCC, the disrepair, but hearing it is nothing in compared to seeing it in person. There's a bunk bed for two people, so we have two inmates on the top, one on the bottom, and then more often than not, there are two more people crammed in this maybe 10 by 3 foot area. One person will sleep on the floor under the toilet, another person will sleep under the bunk bed on these very thin mattresses.
Prosecutors now have up to 60 days for an indictment. Currently, 130 cases are affected, and 92 defendants are in custody. Some defense attorneys say this is borderline unconstitutional and gives prosecutors the upper hand.
It sends the wrong message to the prosecutors, whether it's the Attorney General's office or the county prosecutors. It sends a message that you can drop the ball, don't worry, we have your back. But that's unfair to the defendants. They're sitting in custody waiting to be charged at the pleasure of the prosecutors.
But prosecuting attorney Steve disagrees. He says this decision protects both defendant rights and also looks at public safety. He said the 92 that are detained are facing murder, attempted murder, and kidnapping charges. He strongly believes those defendants pose an immediate threat.
It's a limited exception to the 48-hour rule. And part of that is because a district court judge has already heard the case and found probable cause. And so the person is being detained while new charges are brought. Hawaii Rule Subpoena Procedure has been in place for years.
Added he is confident that this change is temporary, that the legislature is going to amend the statute as soon as they convene. Shanila Kabir, KITV4 Island News.